This is the Emdyne 2015 version of the Gasometer, which is a device for collecting air and other gases accurately and displaying the volume that is collected. It has several features which are distinguished from the original method begun a couple of centuries ago to measure gas that people consumed for their household use. This one is designed for laboratory accurate measurements, and it works with a different method. The other method used what is known as a liquid seal on a drum that collected gas in various chambers, and the buoyancy of the gas collected made the chamber rotate much like a Ferris wheel, and a gear train then converted the rotation into readable numbers. This, however, uses a principle of active accommodation, which means a pressure sensor, this Omega brand pressure sensor, detects an increase in pressure on the input gas, which comes in here, and the electronic circuit discriminates that change in pressure and commands the motor here to rotate, and there's a ball nut on the inside of the motor, which then you will see a threaded rod that is driven such that two pistons, one on this side, one on that side, internally are shifted left and then right again, back and forth, over and over. Every time they go a full length, 200 cc's or milliliters of gas has been collected. The thing about active accommodation is it does not require a liquid seal, number one. The cylinders are lubricated with a high technology grease, which is compatible with just about any kind of corrosive gas that may be encountered. And by not having a water or other fluid seal, it does not contaminate the gases that are being collected with either water or oil or some other liquid. That is one of the most desirable features of this unit. In addition, all of the plumbing is 316 stainless, so it is very resistant to some of the harsher compounds that are sometimes encountered in industry. The unit is a very low power consumer. In fact, very little power is being consumed right now, maybe a couple of watts. Even when the motor is running, the power consumption is just a few tens of watts, enough to drive the motor. There are features also optionally available, including a heated, temperature-controlled active section. This is the active section, and that is an extra cost accessory item. And if that were to be ordered, a separate temperature controller will be mounted over here in the control section. And I guess that covers it for now.